President Aquino has ordered a study on the possible use of the Malampaya funds to cushion the impact of power rate adjustments. He also said the government is studying the option of providing subsidy to the public transport sector. Added details from Elena Luna.
President Aquino has ordered a study on the possibility of tapping the Malampaya Fund to lessen the impact of power rate adjustment. He issued the directive to Executive Secretary Paquito Ochoa Jr., Energy Secretary Jericho Petilla, Finance Secretary Cesar Purisima, Budget Secretary Florencio Abad, and the Chief Presidential Legal Counsel.
Public funds yung Malampaya, accounting of the same, pag masyadong diffuse yung pag-i-implement ito, baka mahirapan tayo sa liquidation, etc. So that has to be studied exactly how it can cushion. No? First, if it can, and how it will actually cushion.
Some lawmakers have raised the issue of using the Malampaya Fund to help unburden consumers. Senator Ralph Recto has filed a bill in Congress, while Senator Sergio Osmeña III has called on the palace to tap the fund to subsidize the 10 billion peso general cost of Meralco. This would mean an increase of 2 to 4 pesos per kilowatt hour in power bill.
So, baka pumasok yung pagbibigay ng subsidy dito sa ating mga, baka ulitin ko lang baka muna dahil pinaaral ko nga, subsidy dito sa ating mga public transports, no? Para during the period of up to, if I remember correctly, hanggang February, no? Para hindi na kailangan mag-rate increase.
The Aquino administration has given fuel subsidy in the Pantawid Pasada program during the series of fuel hike. It was able to help more than 90,000 public utility drivers in fuel cards. The president expects to have the proposals of the designated cabinet officials before he leaves for Japan this week. For the People's Television, Elena Luna.